In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a column in Google Sheets. If you want to keep an important column visible while you scroll across a large spreadsheet, freezing a column is a simple and very useful feature. This is especially helpful for things like names, categories, dates, or labels that you need to keep in view while working with the rest of your data. In Google Sheets, this is often called freezing a column, and it makes navigation much easier. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to lock the column. Make sure you're on the correct sheet tab if your file contains multiple sheets, since freezing applies to the sheet you're currently viewing. Once your spreadsheet is open, move your cursor to the top of the column you want to freeze. You'll want to right-click directly on the column header, which is the letter at the top of that column. For example, if you want to keep the first column visible, you would right-click on the letter for that column. Right-clicking the header opens a menu with column-specific options, so it's important to click the letter itself rather than a cell inside the column. After the menu appears, hover over the option labeled View More Column Actions. This expands the menu and gives you access to additional settings related to that column. Take your time here and keep your cursor steady so the submenu stays open. From that expanded menu, click Freeze Up to Column, followed by the letter of the column you want to freeze. When you select this option, Google Sheets will freeze everything, from the first column through the column you chose. That means those columns will stay visible on the left side of your screen as you scroll to the right. This is a great way to make wide spreadsheets easier to read and manage, especially when you're comparing information across many columns. If the column you need is farther to the right, just remember that Google Sheets will freeze all columns leading up to it, not only that single column. And that's it. Once you click that freeze option, your column is locked in place for easier viewing while you work. If you ever want to change it later, you can return to the same menu and adjust the freeze setting. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to lock a column in Google Sheets.